right, Keith. Well, if you have been waiting for a stretch of warm summer weather, we're in the middle of it.
Yeah.
It's great.
It's really great.
It's great. And it was like not too hot, I felt like. It was kind of in the right.
And a little breeze out there.
It's in the right vibe. We kept that going today. I think we're in pretty good shape until about Thursday, and then things get more complicated, as they
right.
tend to do here in Maine. I mean, you
Yeah.
know, it's hard for us to stay this way very long. These are high temperatures, 69 in Portland, 73 in Wiscasset. You can see that ocean influence there, onshore flow, as opposed to the 86 in Freiburg, 79 in Bangor. And no official station here, but you can tell that it was coolish over extreme down East Maine. That had to do with the clouds that were in place through much of the day today, as well as the showers that are still out there from a low that basically backed in from Canada. So there was a little bit of a weakness on the edge of this ridge of high pressure, and that's where that low came from. By the way, look out there and you can see that sea breeze or the onshore flow pushing past Augusta. That's what that little thin line on the radar is. So the rest of today looks good for almost everyone. The showers will continue over extreme down East Maine. Temperatures drop down into the 50s tonight, and I think tomorrow is a cloudier day than today, and it's also cooler, but it doesn't mean it's a bad day. We have got a lot of latitude in here, right, between the beautiful days we've seen and what would be kind of a rough day, and I don't think we have that tomorrow. We've got more clouds around, certainly temperatures in the 60s along the coastline, likely throughout the day. Inland, we should be able to get into the 70s, low 70s, maybe some mid 70s. There's just going to be more cloud cover around and some fog along the coastline in the morning hours. And then on Wednesday, we start with a little bit of cloud cover, end up partly cloudy. Temperatures are warmer here on Wednesday. Dew points are up a little bit too. Could be in the low to mid 80s inland. And then we pop up some showers and thunderstorms. Some of these, at least according to this small scale model, look pretty gnarly to me. We'll keep an eye on that. You can tell just looking at the reflectivity core there that would be a strong storm if it actually pops up that way. So that's Wednesday afternoon. And then Thursday, from southwest to northeast, showers move in and it almost becomes a light rain through Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. High pressure moves out of the way, opens the door for systems to start approaching from the west, which they do Thursday. And then again on Friday, this low kind of sits over us as a bit of an upper level feature. And the question with these is always, how much total rain will they put down? Sometimes it looks worse in the models than it actually turns out. So that's what we're going to probably want to hope for when we think about this weekend, because look at the rainfall that it projects Friday through Sunday afternoon into Monday. There's quite a bit there. So that would be kind of your rainiest scenario. We'll see if we can back that off as we get closer. But at this point, I would expect that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are at the very least unsettled, and one of those days is probably fairly rainy. So I guess what I'm telling you guys is we're not going to do last weekend this weekend. I know. It'd be nice.
I mean,
but
come on. We've
I know.
got so many
No,
in a
we
row.
want it
That's
all,
awesome.
Coco. We want it all the time.
Be
Thank you.
grateful for what we have.
I know. That's true. It's two ways to look at
Listen,
it.
if it was like August,
Right.
I would be with you, but no.
It is nice to get some
I
in the,
want it all.
in the bank,
Sure,
though.
yeah.
You know, like,
Yeah.
don't you think mentally is like, okay, like
Summer.
you got 2 good weekends in a row. That's nice to start it off this way because last summer was tough.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
and you know what's funny? I
Yeah.
always think about like the term like partly cloudy. I don't know about you,
Yeah.
but like I know scientifically there's a definition for this,
Yeah.
right? Meteorologically. When I see clouds in the sky and it's beautiful and sunny, I'm like, it's a sunny day.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
if it's cloudy, to me, I'm like, that's
So
overcast.
he's an optimist. That's what we're learning.
Yes.
That's why we love you. That's why we love you.
One of the many reasons.
Thank you.